Hello everyone and welcome to Healthy Bites. Today we are going to make very healthy, very nutritious and tasty oats suji idli. These idlis are made with oats and will keep you full for a longer period of time. And I served it with some coconut chutney and it's good to go. To start with, I have used 2 cups of oats flour. I am adding in half a cup of semolina or suji into this. We will give this a good mix, and then to make a paste out of this, I am using 1 cup of homemade curd into this. Now for the vegetables, I have used 1 cup each of red carrots and green capsicum and some green chilies as well. You can use any vegetable of your choice. Now I am adding in salt, red chili powder 1 teaspoon and 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder as well. Now we will give this mixture a good mix. So for the batter, the consistency should be a thick one. So I am using 1 cup of water. I will be just adding into this and we will make a thick paste out of this. So slowly mix this mixture. You will not need any baking powder, no baking soda or ENO for this mixture. It will be just naturally rising. It is a much healthier alternative to the regular idli. If you are just an idli lover like me, you will love this recipe, and this is so easy to make that you can make it every day. Now I will just grease my idli pan. So as we are preparing the tadka for this, in the meantime a steamer will be on and preheating. So till then we will just splutter 1 tablespoon of rice seeds and some urad dal into this and some curry patta as well. This one is for the chutney mixture. The chutney is of coconut and coriander. So for our idli batter tadka, we will just add in 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, and into this goes 2 tablespoons of rice seeds, then some urad dal and some arhar and chana dal mixed into this. These dals are optional, you can just skip them as well. I use them for extra flavor, and some curry patta as well. Allow them to splutter a bit, do not burn them, and add mixture into our idli batter. Now we will just give this a quick mix and transfer this onto our idli pan. And this will go into our steamer for about 10 minutes on low to medium high flame for about 10 minutes. These idlis are a must try option if you are a beginner in the kitchen. Like, they will only take 10 minutes to cook and they will be so good, like everyone will be thinking that you are a master. I serve these idlis with a coconut coriander chutney, which I showed before, and these turned out to be amazing. So try these and tell me in the comment section below how they turned out for you, and do give them a try, and see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.